Hey everyone, it's Age Graceful. How is it going? I have some exciting news for you guys today. So if you want to see the exciting news, then stick around. So a couple of weeks ago, Mr. G and I cleaned the refrigerator in the garage with some products that were sent to me by Super Clean. The refrigerator came out marvelous and I was very excited about the product. And so I wrote my social marketing director and told her I had posted the video and she liked the video, so she wants to extend the offer to you guys. So I'm going to read you the offer that she has. First of all, their products are not sold on their website. Their products are sold in major automotive stores, like say O'Reilly's and what's the other one? O'Reilly's and I can't think of the other one right now. Maybe it'll come to me later. But they also sell them in the automotive department at like Walmart. So what they're offering is a 50% mail-in rebate. That's right, 50% off on either the Aerosol Super Clean degreaser product or the Super Clean for wheels when you're washing your car, or 50% off of the floor absorbent. So how you would go about getting your 50% off, there'll be a link in my description box. You go to the link, print off the coupon. You go to the store, purchase your product, take your receipt, fill out the coupon voucher, and mail that into Super Clean, and they'll send you a check for that 50% savings. Second of all, this is the good part, guys. They asked for me to sponsor a giveaway. So, for every person that puts Super Clean in the comment section of this video, you'll have a chance to win the giveaway. The giveaway winner will receive one bottle of the original Super Clean and one can of the Super Clean Aerosol. So that's what the winner will receive. After I select a winner, I'll submit your name to Super Clean, and then Jessica will make sure that you get your products. How does that sound? I'm going to be leaving this giveaway up for 1 week. Today is Friday. I'll probably post the video by either later tonight or first thing in the morning. So I'm going to say from Saturday to Saturday, 1 week's time. And I'll put the date up in the top of this video because I'm not even sure what today's date is right now. I got so much going on. But I will put the date that the giveaway ends in the top. The winner must have a United States address to win, okay? So what I'm going to be doing, I have a table here that I put food out for the birds over the winter. So now it's spring, it's time for me to clean it up and get it ready for, you know, sitting out in the yard, having company, having barbecues, and I was really wondering how the Super Clean would work on glass. I'm going to be using the degreaser that is in the spray bottle. So let me get that and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the Super Clean degreaser in the spray bottle, and that's what I'm going to be using on this table here. All right, so the rest of this video will be fast forwarded, and I'm just going to kind of tip the table a little bit so you can see how dirty it is. The birds had a field day. All right, let's get this done. Wow, look at how clean this table came out. Absolutely no film or smudging or cloudiness. The table is absolutely clear. I had a concern that maybe it would not clean glass well, but that's not true. It cleans glass very well. So I have plenty of glass shelves that need to be cleaned, and I will be using the Super Clean Degreaser. Excellent job. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to go into the description box area to get that link for 50% off your purchase, as well as dropping Super Clean in the comments section to be my winner. Thank you. See you all later. Bye.